Hello friends, I Ratan Agarwal welcome you all to Sri Agarwal Academy. In today's video, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn how to write three rational numbers between two given rational numbers, or how to write 5 rational numbers, 8 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers between two given rational numbers. They give us two rational numbers, a small and a big, and between them we have to write 3 or 5 or 8 or 10 rational numbers. So there are 2-3 different ways to write rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us take this. So how to write 3 or 5 or 8 or 10 rational numbers between two given rational numbers. There are around 3 methods using which we can write rational numbers. What is the first method? The first method is called value method. So method 1. It is called value method. Now you will not find this in the textbook, the name of this method, etc., etc. I just try to evolve it, thinking it in my way. Now suppose they say write 5 rational numbers between 3/4 and 5/8. We have to write 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. So now as the value method is telling us, we will have to first find the value of 3/4 and the value of 5/8. So I will take 3/4. 3/4, 3 does not go in the table of 4, so I have to take a decimal and a 0. 4 7s are 28, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. So the value of 3/4 is 0.75, the value. And sir, what is the value of 5/8? 5/8. So I will take 5/8. 5 does not go, so take a decimal and a 0. 8 6s are 48. 8 6s are 48. 2 remains. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. So the value of 5/8 is 0.625. Though this is 0.75, I will make a addition of 0, and this is, I will say, 0.75 or 0.750. 0.750. Now between these two numbers, I have to write 5 rational numbers. So let us see how to do that. I am taking here 0.750, 0.625. We have to write 5 rational numbers. I will make a underlining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now because this is bigger and this is smaller, we have to write smaller numbers, descending numbers, smaller than this but bigger than this. The first number which I will take, this is, see, for some time forget the decimals. So this is 750 and 625. Decimal is there, but we are slightly overlooking it. So I think the first number will be 740. The next number will be 730. The next number you can take 710. The next number you can take 70. The next number you can take, that is 700. Next number you can take is 650. The next number you can take is 6. See, this is 25. So now be careful. I will take 40. And the next number I will take 0.640. Okay, lesser than 40 I should take. So I will take 30. Sir, they had told 5 numbers. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. We are doing slightly more. But sir, they asked us rational numbers. you are writing decimal numbers. These decimal numbers are terminating, so they are rational. But then we will convert them in P upon Q form, and you know how to convert decimal numbers into P upon Q form. So I will write this as 0.750, this is 740 upon 100, 730 upon 100, 710 upon 100, 700 upon 100, 650 upon 100, 640 upon 100, 630 upon 100, and this is 625 upon 100. This is 750 upon 100. Now these were not the original numbers. We will convert the last two numbers, first and last numbers, in the given form. So I will write therefore 3 upon 4, this is 3 upon 4, and this is 5 upon 8. And which are the numbers between them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers we wrote. So I would write 740 upon 100, 730 upon 100, 710 upon 100, 700 upon 100, 650 upon 100, 640 upon 100, 630 upon 100, 625 upon 100. We wrote 7, you can write 10, you can write 15 numbers, as many numbers you can write. How many numbers are there, by the way, between these two rational numbers? Infinite numbers are there. So this is the first method called value method. Using values of the given rational numbers, finding the values, we can find the numbers and we can convert them into P upon Q form. What is the second method, sir? The second method is making the denominator equal. Method 2. Making the denominator equal. Making the denominator equal. Let us take the same number so that you will understand better. So write 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. So we have to make these denominators equal. Now what I will do is, I will take 3 upon 4 and I will take 5 upon 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8, but then what I will try to do is, I will try to make it bigger. So I will try to write this cross multiplied so that the denominator becomes 32, and this I will multiply by 4 so the denominator becomes 32. 8 4s are 32, 4 8s are 32. So this is 32, 8 3s are 24, this is 32, 5 4s are 20. Now between these two numbers we want to write 5 rational numbers. So I will take here 24 upon 32 and 20 upon 32. Now 5 rational numbers between them. I will take 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are taking 2 numbers extra. Let us do that. Means even if they had asked 7 or 8 or 10, you can do that. Now everyone's denominator has to be compulsorily 32. But sir, now between 24 and 20, you have to go in the descending order. 23, 22, 21, 20, only 3 numbers are there. Don't worry, my dear friends. Using decimals, we can create as many numbers as you want. So the very first number which I will take smaller than 24 is not 23, but I will say 23.5. Then I will say 23.4. Then I will say 23.2. Then I will say 23.1. Then I'll say 23. Then I'll say 22.8. Then I'll say 22.5. Now, sir, the thing remains that the decimal has come. So let us remove the decimal, no issues at all. So I will write this number first as 235 upon 320, 234 upon 320, 232 upon 320, 231 upon 320, 230 upon 320, 228 upon 320, 225 upon 320. And this number now, we had converted this. What is the original number? 5 upon 8. We had converted this number. What is the original number? 3 upon 4. So these are the numbers between 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. We wrote 7 numbers. You can write as many numbers as you want. So these are the two important methods. Of course, there is one more method. I will just mention the name and show one step. So method number 3 is average method or midpoint method. Average method or midpoint method. Now suppose we take the same numbers 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. You know, if we are having a segment AB, then the midpoint of the segment will surely lie between the extreme endpoints. So if these are the two extreme endpoints, what will be the first number between them? It will be 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 8 upon 2. This upon 2 is as it is. LCM of the numerators is 8. 4 2s are 8. So if I have to take here 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 5 means 11 upon 8 upon 2 means 11 upon 6. 16. So what is the first number? 11 upon 16. Now we are going to take the average of these two numbers. We are going to take the average of these two numbers and write here. I'm just showing you this and then stopping. So 3 upon 4 plus 11 upon 16 upon 2. The LCM of 16 and 4 is 16. 4 3s are 12 plus 11 means 23 upon 32. So here comes 32 upon 23 upon 32. And the average of these two I am taking here. 11 upon 16 plus 5 upon 8 upon 2. LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. So 11 plus 5 2s are 10 means 21 upon 32. So here comes 21 upon 32. So we wrote three numbers between these two rational numbers. By which method? Average method. You can go on. You can find the average of these two, find the average of these two, find the average of these two, and you get many numbers. So in this session, we have seen how to find numbers, rational numbers between two given rational numbers. I am uploading this video on my YouTube channel called Sri Agarwal Academy. Go there, there's a playlist. You can find a lot of concepts there. Subscribe for it so that you can get the updates. I'm also available on Facebook and Instagram. I'm your friend. Make maths your friend. Be smarter. Join me. Follow me. Have a nice day.